Hello everyone right over here, hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to look at something special, something unique. I would even say a work of art. So a company called Lunar Artefacts reached out to me a couple weeks ago asking me if I would be interested in reviewing their mouse, or as they call it, a pointer instrument. So I checked their website and I was really amazed. As a designer, I can really appreciate when companies put effort into craftsmanship and design when building their products. So I spent a couple weeks testing the mouse to give you my best review possible. But let's not waste any more time. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Let's start with the unboxing experience. So I got the aluminum version together with their ergonomic accessory grip, but let's look at that one later and jump into this one. So when we look at the back side of the packaging, we can see all the specs. Genuine full grain calf leather. You can choose between brown or black leather. I picked the black one, of course. Solid brass or aluminum. I picked the aluminum version. Then we have replaceable top cover, Bluetooth 5.0 and USB-C charging together with wireless charging. Actually, that's pretty cool. We don't see that quite often. Then we have a trap-on glass sensor. That's quite a nice add-on. And fun fact, actually, you can use the box inside as a reusable frame for your pictures. That's nice. Anyway, let's continue with the unboxing. The main box looks and feels premium. I really appreciate high quality packaging. When you're paying premium price for something, the entire experience should feel premium and not just the product. Let's put this one away. All right, in the box, we can find this little pouch with the mouse itself. And then we pop this one off. Then we have a nice braided USB to USB-C charging cable and a user manual. But let's put this one aside. Ooh, this is nice. Wow, look at this. I hope you can see it. It feels really premium and nice in touch. It's actually lighter than I expected. I know the brass version weighs around 200 grams. So the brass version is 200 and the aluminum is 125 grams. Nice. Well, let's pop this off so you can take the protector off. So you just slide it off like this. Then we take this one down. You can see that the quality and the craftsmanship are already inside. It's so nice. Let's put this one back on. Press. Nice. Oh, let's do a nice little bit of ASMR. I love doing this. Here we have our USB dongle receiver hidden inside the mouse, so we don't need to worry about losing that. That's quite smart. And then we have our classic on and off Bluetooth receiver. Yeah, all right, and a USB-C charger over here. Definitely much better than a classic Apple mouse. For sure. It feels quite nice on the hand actually. But let's try it with the accessory grip. So let's put this one on the side. And let's open this one. They sell this one separately, and it's especially for people if you have a bigger hands, it should be a bit easier to grip the mouse around. Guess, do we pop this in actually? Oh yeah, here. Nice. That's quite nice. It's actually quite quiet, the mouse. Kind of like that. Now let's talk about the company Lunar Artefacts and their vision for their products. They are not just another tech company on the market. They are bridging the gap between design and tech with their focus on high quality materials and longevity of their products. Just like back in the days when you bought an analog camera that would potentially serve you a lifetime. This mouse is also fully repairable and you can disassemble it down completely if you want to replace any part that needs to be fixed or swapped. But of course, if you don't feel like doing it yourself, then Lunar also offers lifetime repairs for all of their devices. For the past couple of years, I started to focus much more on what I'm buying, and I'm trying to buy less stuff for a little bit more money, but with a higher quality that will last me longer. If an item costs me 200 euro, but it will last me 5, 10 or 20 years, in the long run, it's actually cheaper for me than buying something for 50 euro that it will break after a couple months of use. I had mouses that I paid over 100 euros for before, but they were fully made of plastic and I would need to replace them after a year. Let's talk about the design of this mouse for a second. The shape of this mouse was inspired by automotive design. It does remind me of those beautiful cars that were made back in the days. The bottom part is made out of one single piece of hand-polished aluminum, and the top part is a thin layer of plastic wrapped in a genuine leather with beautiful stitching around. This version costs 185 pounds, and if you want brass instead of aluminum, you will end up paying 200 pounds. But that's the price you pay for a high-quality piece of tech like this. Can you buy a cheaper mouse that will do the same? Of course you can. But it's definitely not going to be made out of high quality materials like this one. Emotions and design play a big role in choosing this mouse. It depends on your preference, of course, as it is with most things. So I have been using the mouse every day for work for the past 2 weeks to get a proper full experience. I am a full-time designer throughout the day and I create a lot of video content in the evenings, so I use a mouse around 8 to 10 hours a day. I can comfortably say that I didn't have any issues to perform my task or any pain after using the mouse for a couple hours in a row. Obviously, this is not the best mouse for productivity if you are doing tasks like me that require a lot of horizontal scrolling or additional buttons on the mouse that you can customize for programs from Adobe and etc. When it comes to specs, you can expect all the latest stuff that you can imagine. Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C charging or wireless charging with any wireless charger that supports Q charging technology, 4 different modes for DPI settings, 800, 1200, 2000 and 3000. This mouse also has a track on glass sensor if your table is made out of glass and NFC Quick Connect for any potential software updates in the future. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you Lunar Artefacts for sending over your mouse. I'm definitely looking forward for more products from you. Meanwhile, let me know what you think about the mouse in the comment section down below. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Follow me on social media, stay rad, and I'll see you next time.